And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking towards downtown Lethbridge. And while you do that, I have to say a big thank you to Laddie and Dorothy from Coaldale for sending me a Tim Hortons gift certificate for coffee. And it has all to do with last week in the Lethbridge Herald. I had a trivia item that United Nations had declared a particular day to appreciate weather forecasting. And I nicknamed it the Buy Your Specialist a Cup of Coffee Day. And they did. So thank you so much. It was nice to start a Monday getting a gift certificate. 3 degrees is where we're at right now. We did get down to 4 degrees or minus 4 degrees at 4 a.m. this morning, and we got up to 4 degrees at about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Now we've dropped down a degree. Temperatures all over a little milder as you look towards the Alberta-Saskatchewan border. Not a big surprise there, not getting that flow out of the north, and also that precipitation coming out of the south quite hasn't made it that far east, but that's not to say that, you can't see a little dusting overnight tonight. The big accumulations has been right along the Continental Divide. We've actually got 3 systems we're watching. One precipitation system is moving up the BC coast, so rain showers for Vancouver. The second one is affecting us, just kind of arching off to the northeast. So Calgary getting hit by that. Red Deer could see 15 to 17 centimeters from that system overnight tonight. We got another impulse of that coming across the border in the evening and overnight hours here, but it looks like just looking at how our temperatures are sitting, we'll see that in the form of shower activity and some mist. If our temperature dips before this is depleted, we could see a little light dusting of snow, but certainly nothing compared to what they're seeing to the north. And the forecaster is following that trek as well. We've got mixed precipitation of snow and rain in the higher elevations. And then as you move further north, you get more concentration of snow. And as I said, what we're expecting to see come across the border here is just in the form of some shower activity, possibly a light dusting of snow here, but mostly we're looking at that rain shower activity. We're going to be seeing skies clearing out by tomorrow afternoon. We should have a fair bit of sunshine in the mix as an area of high pressure starts to dig in and scours out all that cloud cover. So it's not with us for very long, but folks up in the Red Deer area will be shoveling their sidewalks and their driveways tomorrow morning. Down east, we have some winter snow warnings, or winter storm warnings rather, out for Atlantic Canada, parts of the Maritime, and also southeastern Quebec, looking at some strong winds and blowing snow activity. Pretty calm in southern Ontario right now, albeit much cooler than what they were looking at last week. We've got freezing rain warnings on the northern edge of the Great Lakes. Pretty pleasant temperatures in Winnipeg, minus 9 degrees, 7 in Regina, 6 in Saskatoon. Another arch, though, is expected to deposit snow there tonight, and that'll carry across the lakes into Manitoba overnight tonight and tomorrow as well. Winter storm warnings posted there. Rainy in Vancouver, as I said. Up north, a lot of sunshine expected in Whitehorse and Yellowknife over the next few days. Sun and cloud mix. Yellowknife isn't expected to see any snowfall until they get into Thursday afternoon. East Kootenay, you're looking at tonight some rain showers ending after midnight, and then 0 for a low, 8 degrees for a daytime high. Tomorrow, sun and cloud mix, chance of a leftover shower for you. For the Crow's Nest Pass, looking at periods of snow. Still possible tonight, minus 1 for a low. Tomorrow you'll have mainly cloudy skies, chance of a leftover shower, and your winds will pick up, especially in the afternoon hours. Medicine Hat looking at a rain-snow combination possible tonight, although this system, it's taking an odd angle, may miss you entirely, but just be aware of that. 10 degrees for a high in your area tomorrow, though. Lethbridge, we have a chance of that shower activity tonight, possibly some light snow. We'll get down to minus 2. Tomorrow, our daytime high, 11 degrees, and we're looking mainly sunny skies, so it's not going to be with anyone all that long, except for the areas to the north that have those bigger accumulations. Look at the temperatures over the next few days, so it's looking pretty nice as we head into the rest of the week. And I'm going to step out of frame and let you take a look at what the temperatures were in the past with the record temperatures. And if you check out Friday, as the record temperatures pop up there, we're looking at 27 degrees back in 2004, and the rest of them are fairly old records besides that one. So looks like a nice sun and cloud mix tomorrow, and all this mist and fog and cloud and snow will be a memory. That's it for me. Have a good evening, everyone.